The first section of diversity that we want to explore is to examine what we mean by intelligence. And this is a very complicated issue because over the years many people have come up with a variety of definitions to say what they think is intelligent. Is it really somebody who has a great memory about things, or somebody who's very creative and can solve interesting problems or difficult problems? Or is it just something that's generally there that that person can be good at in any situation? So in this assignment, I'm going to ask you to provide your own description of intelligence and to describe and defend a teaching strategy in your lesson plan that supports that definition. So if we go down to step 1, you're going to review the resources below, which will help you formulate a definition of intelligence. You're welcome to use any resources other than text, and just make sure you cite them. So if we go down, you'll see that there's sources about general intelligences, multiple intelligences, sex differences in intelligence even, nature versus nurture, learning styles. And once you've created your definition of intelligence, choose a student, just like you did in motivation, that you think best represents that description of intelligence according to your grade level. Once you've decided on a student, then you would describe in detail a teaching strategy specific for your standards-based lesson plan that supports the intelligence of the child you chose. So this is step 3. And so we would do it just like motivation, where you would show your content area, unit or topic, grade level, your standard benchmark performance standard, and then in a table you would list the student, a description of the intelligence, and a description of the teaching strategy that's going to support the intelligence. Again, using any kind of multimedia that you want to use to get your point across. And again, if we look at the example, you can see exactly what I'm asking you to do. Looks very much like motivation. If you scroll down, then you'll find this one box that talks about Kentaro, who is homeless but is very outgoing and sociable. So this person's idea of intelligence, says it's beyond academics, and so Kentaro is intelligent socially. And the lesson plan supports Kentaro and describes it here. Then you save this portion, and you're going to add it to, again, the other 3 parts and turning it in as one big paper. So go on to the next section.